Alrighty, it happened again. I found my first silver. I found my first decent target at all, and it's silver. I found a button and what seems to be a fuse of some grenade of the Second World War. But now I found 24th of a thaler again. Perhaps you can read it. 24 einen Thaler, mint mark A, with some kind of oak leaves down here. And on the other side there are again these two letters, R and F, which stands for Rex Fredericus, Frederick the King, and the year is 1786. Woohoo! Alright, moving on. Hey, meanwhile it's raining, as I learned in my English lessons in school, cats and dogs. And the place isn't really littered with targets, but I found another thing. It's my fourth thimble, and this one seems to be old. I'll clean it and show you. Alright, it's old, but it's not that old. It's clearly machine made. I like finding thimbles. Alright, moving on. It seems that I hit some old trenches. Don't know if they are Wehrmacht or... Here you can see them here. And here was a position of some sort. Up there, if they're Wehrmacht or Russian, I don't know. Unfortunately, I started digging shell casings a lot, so I think I'm gonna leave here. There was other metal detectorist recently here. He didn't close his holes. Don't do it. And he missed a lot of stuff. It seems that he was just running through the woods. And he missed, for example, this beauty here. This is my first Wehrmacht buckle ever, and it's imperial, and there's written "God with us" above the imperial crown, and down there are, I guess it's oak leaves or some other plant, I don't know, and it's in very good condition. Everything is there. It's still a little bit leather attached, and I like it. That's very nice. Moving on. Another coin. It's one Rentenpfennig. I could read without the camera, from 1924. And this soil really is good to the coins. I've been here before and I found some, and they are in an excellent state. Alright, moving on. Right, I found my third coin for today, and it's I can't believe it, it's 10 Reichspfennig in zinc. Look at that condition, man, from 1941. It's whoa, this soil is very good to coins. I mean, it's not corroded, nearly not corroded at all. Alright. Oh, since my last video I found a lot of Polish money, modern, but now I found beauty. Not that I didn't find those coins, but look at that. It's 1895 and it's in very, very good condition. It's not corroded at all. It looks, whoa, loving it. I'd like to find more of those. Moving on. This really gives me the creeps. I didn't dig it. There are holes here which weren't closed, and a big, a really huge artillery shell is standing upright in the middle of the woods. This is how you shouldn't do it. Moving on. Tiny silver coin. It's half silver groschen from 1872. On the back side is Friedrich Wilhelm I, King of Prussia. Moving on. Whoa! These are the remains of what appears to be a boar, right? So, and look. And it's eaten up to the bone, so there has to be some kind of bigger predator in these woods here. Perhaps a wolf? No, probably a wolf. Moving on. I found it again. It's 48ths of 1 thaler. It's from 1779 and it's silver. It's very old and I like it. Moving on. Wow, what a strange find. This is actually the third I find. It's a standard British military service button from World War I to World War II. Unfortunately I wrecked my camera, so I have to go with my mobile, which isn't quite as good. Alright, moving on. I found 50 bunny, and it's from the Republic, right? Focus. Republic of Moldavia. Moldova. Wherever that is. Nice eagle though. Moving on. And whoa! I found another Russian helmet. But obviously not here. Still filled with muck. Oh, I see the attachment are still in there. Let me just... Alright. Yeah, there's felt. There used to be felt in here. Yeah, there's a little remains of it. Yeah. Not in the best of conditions though. But anyway, it's a helmet. Alright, moving on. And a nice, it's not a button, it's an aid to carry the belt. It was once attached to leather. It's Wehrmacht. Nice. Moving on. And wow, two very nice, what I guess are officers' buttons. Wehrmacht. Perhaps half a meter from the first one, the same hole. Very nice. Moving on.